This rear area is disgusting. The very first thing I'm going to do is take this vacuum and clean up any leftover debris after removing all the large junk in this trunk. This way, when I lay down a nice amount of cleaning material, we can make sure that all the stains are gone and we have this carpet looking brand new. Gotta get rid of all the crumbs after all. Next, we're going to take some Resolve and spray that all over the carpet. Be generous and make sure you hit all the spots. Then let it soak for about 5 minutes and get in there and use some elbow grease. Really clean it out and make sure it looks nice and clean. Now look at that. Isn't that quite a transformation? Check out the whole video, link in bio.